On the CreatiCode platform, two users can work on the same project on two computers at the same time. Let me show you how. So on my screen on the left, this is one user that logged in as the owner of the project. On the right is another user, and we call it the guest user. Suppose they both want to work on the same project. To do that, first, the owner user have to share the project. Of course, you don't have to share it publicly. You can say share it as unlisted, so only any user who has the same link can see it. So in this case, let's share it as unlisted, and then I'm gonna copy the project link and give it to the guest user. Cool. So now both of them have the project. Next, both of them have to open the project in the editor. Great. So next, the guest user have to send a request. So click on Edit, and you will see Request to Edit. This option is not always there. It's only available when the owner is also logged in and opening the same project. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Just ask the owner user to reload the page, and also the guest user reload the page. Just to let the server know that both of them are ready and online, then you will see this option. All right, now let me click on this option. So you can see the guest user will be waiting for a response, and then the owner will get a choice, right? You can either accept it or deny it. So let's accept it. Once accepted, the guest user will see the page reload again. This is just to make sure they get exactly the same starting point. Cool. So now both of them are in the same co-editing session. Anything you do on one screen, on one computer, will be reflected on the other. For example, I can change the content of the save block, and on the guest screen, you will see the same. If I move a block, you will see it will be moved on the other computer. You can do many other things. For example, you can add a new block, and that will be added at exactly the same position. And you can even switch to a different sprite, and you can see it's switched on both sides. And I can switch back here, and it's switched back here. I can even run blocks. For example, if I click on the save block, so both of the blocks will be activated and run. Of course, that only works if you activate the block directly. If you click on the green flag, that is not copied to the other computer. So you have to click on the specific blocks like this. Click on this, it runs on both sides. Great. Finally, to stop this sharing session, both users can have the option. You can simply click the End button for either user. So let's end it. Okay, that's it. So hope you have fun with it. You can work with your classmates on the same project, or if you are a tutor, you can work with your student on the same project. Of course, this is only for sharing the project editing process. And to work the best, you probably need a voice channel as well, like one user calling the other, so you can talk while editing at the same time. Okay, have fun.